Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to start a blog without coding, hosting, or spending a single dollar? In this video, I will show you how to create a blog using Google Sites in 2025 step by step and totally free. First of all, go to sites.google.com and log in with your Google account. Click the plus sign in the bottom right to create a new site, or click blank page, blank site. This will be your blog. You'll see a simple you will see a simple editor where you can add text, images, buttons and more, just like Google Docs but for websites. At the top left, give your blog a name like my travel journal or tech thoughts. Click on the banner area to edit the title. This is your blog's homepage headline. Then click image for change the background. And upload your pre-designed background like that. That's good. Google site also lets you change the banner image to match your blog vibe. To create your first blog post, go to the pages section and click plus icon for a new page. Give it a title like my first post. Or why I started blogging. Then click done. Use text box, image, or even YouTube embed blocks to build your post. You can even embed Google Docs if you prefer writing there. Just click add footer, then small text like heading, then click plus icon for embed a link. Click full page embed, then go to your YouTube or any other site, click share and click embed and copy the full code and name it like embedded page and click done. Now add embed by URL, or you can enter the code which you copied earlier, then click next, then insert, and that's it. Let's create a main blog page that links to all your posts. Click plus icon from page sections, name it blog, and insert our text link to each post page manually. As you add a new post, just come back here and update the page with new links. Just click done. As you add new posts, just come back here and add and update the page with your links. Now make your blog yours. Here head to the theme section and choose a style like that. Each theme comes with color and font options so your blog looks neat and modern. Use navigation settings to switch between top and side menus. Add a footer, then click edit footer and enter your text here. Or social links. If you want to keep things neat, you can drag your blog post pages under the blog pages to make them sub pages. Now they are grouped together and your site stays clean. Once you are happy with your site, click publish in the top right. Pick a custom URL like myblogname.google.com or connect your own domain if you have one. Anyone with the link can now visit your blog and read your posts. And there you go, a free blog built with Google Sites, fast, easy, and perfect for beginners. If you liked this, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what's your blog going to be about. Thanks for watching and see you soon.